All right, here we have another binomial, and we're going to use GCF to factor it. So first I'm going to start off with just the numbers, 63 and 35. So let's factor 63. All right, so I have 9 times 7. That's one way to get 63. 7 is a prime number, so there's no way to break that up anymore. And then 9 can be broken up into 3 times 3, and those two are primes. So the prime factorization of 63 is 3 times 3 times 7. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And now I'm going to do 35. Now 35 is 7 times 5. And that's it. Those are both prime numbers. So I'm just going to take 7 and 5. That's it. And I'm going to write it as 5 times 7. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the x's. Now for my x's, I have x to the 12th. Now x to the 12th is x times x times x times x 12 times. So I'm going to write 12 x's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's my 12 x's. Now over here, I have 6 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to drop this minus because that's what was there. All right, so let's take a look at what both of these terms have in common. Now, if I look at just the numbers, 3 times 3 times 7 and 5 times 7, they only have one number in common, and that's the 7. So that's part of the GCF. So I'm going to take a 7 out. Now, as far as the x's are concerned, I have in common, here's 1x, 2, 3. How many total am I going to have in common? Well, if you keep counting, you're going to see that you have x to the power of 6 in common for both of them. Okay, so that's going to give me 7x to the power of 6, and that's my GCF. Okay, now I'm going to look at what is left inside. So since we used up the 7 and we used up 6 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over here we used up these x's, what is left over? Well, here I have 3 times 3, which is 9. And here I have another 6 x's. So that's x to the 6th. And then I'm going to bring down that minus. And then what's left over in the second term? I basically have crossed everything out except a 5. There's that 5, right? So my final answer is 7x to the 6th, that's my GCF, times 9 to the 6th, 9x to the 6th minus 5. So my answer is 7x to the 6th times 9x to the 6th minus 5.